Hello, traders, welcome to Switch Stats. In today's video, I am going to show you guys one of the best 3-minute scalping strategies I could find. This strategy has a really high win rate and can be used with crypto, forex, and stocks. Before we get into the strategy, please subscribe to my channel and like the video because I put out the best trading strategies for free. I will also try to make this video as short as possible, so stay tuned till the end of the video. Now, let's get started with the video. Today, I am trading with this strategy on the Euro-USD chart. First, let's change the time frame to the 3-minute time frame. Let's now add our indicator to the chart. To do that, we will click on the Indicators tab and type EMA into the search box. We will use the Moving Average Exponential indicator made by TradingView. Add it to the chart. After this, click on the indicator settings. In the input section, change the EMA length from 9 to 50, and in the style section, I'm going to change it to blue. However, if you want to, you can, of course, choose a different color. After this, we must add another exponential moving average to our charts, so go to the Indicator tab and type EMA in the search box again. Click on the indicator made by TradingView and then add it to the chart. For this EMA, we must also change the settings, so go to the Indicator settings and change the length from 9 to 100. Now, in the Style section, I'm going to change it to red. However, as I said previously, you could choose a different color if you want to. Alright, so now let's add our last and final indicator to the chart. Navigate to the Indicator tab again and search for Stochastic. Select the one made by TradingView and then add it to the chart. Once we have added it to the chart, we will also change the settings for the Stochastic indicator. Navigate to the Stochastic indicator settings and go to the Inputs tab. We will change the K% length to 5. After that, we will change the K% smoothing to 3. And for the D% smoothing, we will keep it at the default settings. Okay, now that our setup is ready, let's move on to the trading rules. But before that, please subscribe to our channel. We provide free content and would appreciate a subscription. Thank you. Now let's start with the rules for entering long positions. Whenever the blue 50-period EMA crosses the red 100-period EMA from bottom to top, be ready to open a long position. However, before opening the position, we need to look at the stochastic indicator to find the entry signal. When the stochastic rises above the 20 level, it's a valid signal to enter a long trade. Also, make sure that the price is close to the 50-period exponential moving average. So this is a valid signal to enter a long position. We'll enter a long position right here, and our stop loss will be set at the market's most recent swing low. Our take profit target will be at 2 times the risk. This means that if we have a stop loss of 1%, we will have a take profit of 2%. Let's see another example. As you can see here, the 50-period EMA is above the 100-period EMA. So here we will be looking for buy signals only, and our buy signal is generated here when the stochastic rises above the 20 level. Also here, the price is close to the 50-period exponential moving average. So it's a valid signal to enter a long trade. We'll enter a long position right here, and our stop loss will be set at the market's most recent swing low. Our take profit will be at 2 times the risk. Now let's move on to the rules for entering short positions. Entering a short position is the exact opposite of entering a long position. So whenever the blue 50-period EMA crosses the red 100-period EMA from top to bottom, be ready to open a short position. However, wait for the stochastic to fall below the 80 level, because then it's a valid signal to enter a short trade. Also, make sure that the price is close to the 50-period EMA. So let's enter into the short position here. Our stop loss will be set at the market's most recent swing high, and our take profit target will be 2 times the risk taken with the stop loss. As you can see, this trade was profitable again. You can use this strategy to easily and quickly grow any account. Because this strategy is on the 3-minute time frame, there will also always be many signals. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video to support us. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and good luck trading!